Oh my god, it's blinding me day. Oh Zoe, come and check this out. Amazing. You want to explore Times Square? Oh, let's go. Wow. Oh, come here. How's that? Can you see the heat illusion?
Yeah.
What do you call that?
Haze.
Fata Morgana. Oh, this is nice. Very nice.
I'm towards the recruiting station.
You want to go and check it out?
There's Carlo's Bake Shop.
We're definitely checking that out.
Yeah.
Is Carlos famous?
Oh my god. Yeah.
Alright.
Online, you know, he does all the bake shop things.
Really?
Yeah.
Come on then. By that measure, you're famous too.
I definitely can't move now.
There goes my thumbnail. Like right here.
Let's go.
Alright, let's dash. Wow. It's like we're some sort of part of Japan or something. Tokyo. Look at all these billboards.
Very famous.
Really?
Yeah.
Then how come I don't know about it?
Very, very famous.
You want to buy something here? Cannoli. Hey, that's like in Sopranos. Cannoli. Okay. Enough of this nonsense.